Welcome back. DGP Kishan Kumar has clarified that no citizen needs to visit police station for passport verification. It is the job of police to visit your place and do the same. Police have been asked to seek an appointment with the person and to go to the respective residence for the verification of passport. DGP in stern words has told his officers to follow the system.
Is the verification for passport a tedious process? Do not worry. The police verification before dispatching the passport is not a worrying fact. Just get your passport details, specific documents asked for the certification and answer the queries raised by the police officials. DGP informed that there is no need for any citizen to visit police station. Police will come to your doorsteps.
It is the duty of the police to contact the applicant over telephone, seek an appointment with the applicant at the residence of the applicant, advise the applicant to keep at least 1 or 2 documents showing the address in those documents.
Following the report by the Chief Passport Officer, he said that only 50% passports are delivered on time in Goa, even after 21 days of verification. Officer observed that stereotype procedure of police verification is proving to be a hassle and reason behind delay in passport issuance. Do not fall prey to any unnecessary orders by the officials. The message from DGP to his officials is cut and clear.
Now my request to the members of the public is, those who have applied for passport, if any police officer in a police station or in the CID center ask the applicant to come to the police station, they may please make a complaint to me. I am giving you my email address. You may please note down my email address. My email address is kishankumar4thjan@gmail.com. Through your medium, I want to convey, if any police officer is calling any applicant to the police station, please make a complaint to me. I see my email daily and I will take action against such police officer.
You may also complain to the DGP if any police request you to visit the police station or the CID office for the verification of passport. Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
Mickky is in no mood to relent on his year-end music festival issue. Tourism Minister had made it clear that he will not allow 2 big music festivals in the state on same dates. Mickey's dates are clashing with the controversial Sunburn festival. Mickky said all his arrangements are done and he will not cancel the event, come what may.
And I had announced this event, December event, much before, say like 4 months back. I have artists which I already made an agreement with them, paid them, okay, well in advance. Okay, this government saying we won't allow to have both the event same time. That is a government problem. It's not my problem, man. And where the constant government still, wanted to think about he should have somebody here. If that's so, that means those are not an accusation. It's a fact then. Then of course people should know, people of Goa should know this government was not for Goan then, only for outsiders.
Barnauli Farmers Association has come out with its own solution for the problems faced by the farmers in their village. They held a meeting on Sunday. They discussed various difficulties faced by them while undertaking farming.
But there's total uspun परते बांदिल बगोर हे सारकें जाचना सो सीपेज जावपाक बंद जावपाक सरकार येता वयताय जे किसान मुठाय ए किसान मुठाय केसो किंमत आहा तुका 100 रुपया उमेद आहा त्या मनशा तो तुका 100 रुपया मेळना जाल्यार व्हॉट इज द यूज ऑफ ऑल दिस स्टफ
बाबा आमी तोडे बांदलो ते प्रेसाचे सांगलोले आमी बेगीन बांदिल म्हण पूण आमी तांकां विचारली 14 तारखेर बांदलोले सप्टेंबराचे ही डेट बांदिल ती सारकी ओ ना सारकी ती तेणें सांगिल्लें एकदम सारकें आसलोलें तुमी बांदिल तें आनी कांय प्रॉब्लम नासलो म्हण सो मुका वयलें नेक्स्ट इयर केदोन तिगून बांदपा तें आमी ते फार्मराक विचारलें तेदो तेणें म्हणपाक लागलें 14 तारखेर बांदपाचें एवरी इयर.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.